Making money online nowadays has become very easy. Technology has made it possible for anyone from anywhere in the world to make $657 online with just a few clicks of a button on their mobile phones. You'll be able to earn this amount by using MyStrategy, but with persistence and consistency, this amount might skyrocket into something much higher, which will be possible using the websites that I'll be showing you in this video. Before we proceed to the actual websites, let me show you a glimpse of the payment method of this website. They pay via PayPal and other outlets, as well as bank transfers and many more. The first website is called picoworkers.com. Now, from my experience, the most effective money-making tasks are liking and watching videos. In addition, if you've watched this video till the end, I will show you a special tip that can help you multiply your earnings. I'm also going to give you one bonus tip to earn more money with this platform. Use their referral program. You can either share this website to all the people that you know personally and virtually, and you will have a big chance of earning a percentage of what they're earning if you were able to sign up and do tasks on the website. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's continue with the video. Keep in mind that if you don't want to rely on the referral program, you can just do the tasks yourself and earn a much lower but guaranteed income. Although these tasks are low paying, they are very easy to do and execute. Back to the homepage, I'd like to remind you that once you've completed all of the tasks assigned by the client, you'll need to show proof of completion in order to be paid. In terms of submission, I'll show you exactly how to do it so that you'll get paid, because some people would just complete the assignment without submitting any proof, and that's why they don't get paid. So that's why it's important to focus on this video, so that you won't miss out on crucial information about how to execute the job and earn money online. With that, let me proceed to the second website, which is earnably.com. This platform is based on a point system where a number of points will equate to cash. With this platform, I'll teach you on how to make and earn a massive number of points so that you'll be able to convert them into cash. So don't pause or exit the video. Also, if you're not from the US, you would need a Proton VPN to access this website. On this platform, all you need to do is watch videos. For example, you can click on one of the companies right here and you'll be redirected to a video where you will be obliged to watch until it ends, and skipping is prohibited. The sweetest part about these money-making videos is that you can just let it play in the background without actually looking at it. You can see that this is the easiest and most time-efficient way to earn money. The third website will allow you to complete tasks and make a lot of money simply by using your smartphone and sending text messages. You may also use your smartphone to check into this app and make money by doing whatever they ask. Sometimes they would ask you to reply to this post or person, take pictures of specific things like food, accessories, plants, and many more. To join, simply click on this button and it will automatically redirect you to the Google Play Store, or if you're using an Apple product, it will direct you to the Apple App Store. So that's where you know if this thing is legit and can actually pay you money online. Many guys have been cashing out using these websites. Simply implement all what you've learned in this video and start building your own income stream. Wouldn't you love to have a bite of the cake? Click on the button below to get started.